Sparklines were first introduced with Excel 2010. For example, let's go back to the sheet called Chart. I'm going to click in the cell F2 and I'd like to add a sparkline. To add a sparkline, I'm going to go to the Insert tab in the ribbon, and in the Sparklines group, I'm going to click the button Column. This little window pops up and it's asking me for a range of data. So I'm going to highlight B2 to D2. And when I click OK, I get a sparkline. A sparkline is like a mini graph. No axis titles, no chart titles, no legend, just a simple graph indicating if sales have gone up or gone down, and this indicates the sales have gone up. Sometimes I'll drag the line underneath row 2 and make it deeper or make the height taller so I can see more of a sparkline. And sometimes I'll drag the line between F and G to make the column wider and make the sparkline stand out a little further. You can also choose a style for your sparkline. There's a gallery of styles here, so I might go for a green appearance. And there's my green column sparkline. I might also like a sparkline for expenses. So I'm going to click in the expenses to the right of expenses in F3, and I'm going to click the Insert tab in the ribbon. Here I might choose to show a line. So in the Sparklines group, I'll click the Line button. It now wants to know where's my data range, so I'm going to highlight B3 to D3. And when I click OK, there's my sparkline, and it's a line. I might just increase the height of that row, and there's my sparkline showing more clearly. And I might choose a different colour, so I might go for an orange. When it comes to profit, I might choose to show the profit figures as a sparkline, but as a win-loss. For example, if I'm in F4 and I go to the Insert tab in the ribbon, and in the Sparklines group I click the Win-Loss button, and then I select the data range B4 to D4 and click OK, there's my Win-Loss sparkline, and again I'm going to increase the height of row 4 to see it more clearly. The Win-Lost sparkline just shows me positive results for profit. But if I had a negative result, such as -1, then it relatively shows me a negative result in my sparkline. Sparklines are simple graphs.